that the black spots was shown. So by that he observed that these are invisible rays. And he also did one another experiment. He take uranium oxide. After that, here's a screen that is made up of zinc sulfide. When he bombard this uranium oxide in this plate, fluorescence is shown. So that was also mean that this is an invisible material. After that, we are having one point that the radioactive rays will not stop by the external temperature, which means if we cool down this material, radioactive material which is unstable, so it will not stop the radioactive rays for decaying, and because of the external temperature cooling or by heating, it will not stop radioactive rays. Because on nucleus there will be no effect of external temperature. After that, as I told you, there's two scientists, one was Becquerel and another was Marie Curie and Pierre Curie. Actually these are two scientists. Marie Curie is the wife of Pierre Curie. Marie Curie and these both were combined. What they did, we are having one box that called the lead box. Lead box have ability to stop radioactive rays. So it is having ability to stop radioactive rays. So what they did, they put unstable particle in the lead box. They make hole here. When they make hole here, some rays come outside from the unstable material because of the decaying was start, because this is unstable material. When decaying start and some rays come outside from this, so that rays were studied by the Marie Curie and Pierre Curie, that called the alpha rays, beta rays and gamma rays. These three rays were studied. These three are subunits of radioactive rays. Having alpha rays having same mass as the helium nuclei. Why? Because alpha rays is this, and the helium nuclei is also having same atomic number and mass number, so these both will be the same. So the alpha rays having mass as the helium nuclei, these both will be equal, having mass as a helium nuclei. Alpha rays have same mass as helium nuclei. After that, beta rays. Now beta rays are fast moving. These are the fast moving electrons. Basically beta rays are composed of electrons. Now we will study these three rays. First here, mass, after that charge, after that penetration power, after that speed, and after that ionization. That's it. Here alpha rays, beta rays, and here gamma rays. First of all, alpha rays. The mass of alpha rays is 4 AMU, 4 AMU, and the mass of beta rays is 1 upon 1836 AMU, and gamma rays have no mass. So the mass of alpha is 4 mu, 1 upon 1836 AMU, and having no mass. Gamma is having no mass. Charge, alpha is having 2 positive charge, and beta is having 1 negative charge, and gamma having no charge. Have no charge, have positive charge, and negative 1 negative charge, have 2 positive charge. After the penetration power, alpha have low penetration power. Why? Because as I told that alpha have 4 AMU mass. It's heavier than these both. So alpha is having more mass. We also know that if one body is having more mass, it will move slowly because having the high mass. So it is having low penetration power because it moves slowly, its speed is least, so it is having low penetration power. Beta rays have moderate penetration power, and gamma rays have high penetration power because it is having no mass, no charge. So having no mass, it will move very fast because of having no mass. After that, speed, it has low speed. Like if we talk about speed, it is having 1 upon 9th of the light, which means it is having 1 upon 9th of the light speed. After that, beta is having 9 upon 10th of the light, and it is having same as light because it is having no mass, no charge. It will move faster than the light, or it is move faster as the light. After that, ionization, alpha have high ionization power, beta have less than alpha. It is less than ionization power than alpha, and gamma have less than alpha and beta both. It has less than alpha and beta both penetration as ionization power. Now, why a charge of alpha having 2 positive charge and it is having 1 negative charge? Why? Alpha have 2 positive charge like this. This is the one atom, proton, neutron. Here we are having electron. Here, when we bombard alpha particle on this atom, it will attract the negative charge because these both are different charge. Positive and negative will attract each other, and the electron will come outside of the cell. When it will come outside the cell, because it attract this charge, because that's why alpha have positive charge, because it attract the electron. After that, if we talk about beta have negative charge. Here, proton, neutron. Here, electron. When we will bombard the beta particle on electron, it will repel because of the same charges will repel. It will repel each other because of the same charge. After that, if we talk about gamma ray, Here we are having proton and neutron. Here we are having electron. When we bombard gamma rays on this atom, it will, because gamma have high energy, electron will absorb the energy of gamma rays and move towards the upper shell. We also studied before that when electron will absorb energy, so here it will absorb energy from the gamma rays, because gamma rays are having high energy. It will absorb this energy and move towards the upper shell, jump towards the upper shell by absorbing the energy. So that was a radioactivity.